children, today I have come with yet another very interesting story from Pepper series. But before that, I'm going to take you all to a very favorite place of mine. Wonder what it is? Come, let's do a magic. Abracadabra, my favorite place. What is this? Where are we? We are in the beach right now. Can you hear the wave sound? Can you see the waves moving very happily up and down? Yes, and see we've got a lot of sand. So what should we do with the sand? Let's make a castle. Ready? Abracadabra, beautiful castle. And here we have a beautiful castle. That's one of the loveliest things I like to make when I go to beach. I hope you all love to make castles too, right? So here in this story, Pepper is also going to make a castle. Let's see what fun he's having with his friends, right? So let's get into the story right away. What's the name of the story? Pepper has a fight. What is it? Pepper has a fight. Let's see. Today, Pepper was making a castle. At that time, one of his friends, Ted, came there. And what did Ted say? He said, "Hey Pepper, what are you doing?" he asked. And what did Pepper say? He said, "See my big castle." Because Pepper was very proud to show his castle. He had made such a big castle out of sand. And on seeing that, Pepper's friend Ted said, "You made it yourself?" He asked if Pepper made the castle on his own. Now Pepper said, "Mama made it. I helped her make it beautiful." So who did the castle? Pepper, and Pepper's mom made the castle. Pepper helped his mom to make the beautiful castle. It's so beautiful, right? And then Ted was so excited on seeing the beautiful castle. What did he say? A real castle must have crocs within it. So now Ted said a real castle should have crocodiles around it. Crocs means crocodiles. On hearing that, Pepper was shocked and he said, "Crocs?" Because he didn't know that castles will have crocodiles around it. So Ted was very excited to make a moat around the castle and make crocodiles just go around the castle. Do you know what a moat is? Usually in those days, around the castle they used to make moat. That is, there'll be water around the castle and there'll be lot of crocodiles. Do you know why? It is just to prevent the enemies from entering the castles. So in that way, both the king and queen and all the other people inside the castle will be safe. So that's how they used to do. And Ted was helping Pepper to do the moat. But Pepper, he wasn't interested to bring crocs in his castle. So he said, no crocs in my castle, stop. Because he wasn't interested. But Ted, what did he say? He said, "Come on Pepper, don't be like a baby." He said, "Don't act like a baby. It'll be such a fun to have crocs around your castle." But now Pepper, he became angry because he didn't want anyone else to touch his castle. And what did he say? "Don't touch, this is my castle." And what did he do? He pushed Ted. And what happened? Ted fell on the sand castle. "Ouch!" shouted Ted. But what happened to the castle? The castle broke down. The castle broke down and it was not there. Now it became a sand again. Now Pepper became more angry. And what did he say? "Oh, my castle!" he shouted. And now Ted, what did he do? He was shocked. Now Pepper again started to scream. He said, "You broke my castle!" He shouted at Ted. And now Ted said, No, you only pushed me." He said, "You pushed me down and that's why I fell on the castle." But Pepper wasn't ready to accept it. He picked up some sand and he started throwing it on Ted, and he said, "Go away, go away." And he started throwing the sand on Ted. Now what did Ted do? He felt so guilty, and he said, "I'll make it again for you, Pepper, here." And he was trying to make, but Pepper wasn't ready to accept it. He started throwing sand on Ted again. Now Pepper's mom came there. She saw all this and she said, "Stop it, Pepper." She said whatever Pepper was doing was wrong. So she asked Pepper to stop it. And now Ted also wasn't ready to talk with Pepper because he was very rude, right? So Pepper said, "Mama, I'm sorry. I should not have pushed Ted. He says he won't talk to me. See, I was so angry and I pushed him down. I threw the sand on him, and now Ted is not ready to talk with me." Now Pepper's mom said, "See, making mistake is common. So what you have to do now? Say sorry to Ted and don't fight again." So after that, what did Pepper do? He went and apologized. He went and said sorry to Ted. Now Ted was happy, and they both started playing again. They started to build a castle again. Okay, that's the end of the story. Okay, now as usual, I have a question for all of you. What is it? Suppose you make a castle like how Pepper made, and your friend comes and breaks it down. What will you do? Just think and get back with your answers. As usual, I'll be waiting to listen from you all. Okay? Bye-bye. See you all with yet another very interesting story from Pepper series. Bye-bye.